Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram chat delete option not showing. If you're using Instagram and you're trying to delete any chat from your Instagram, but you're facing the issue that your delete option is not showing, so let's see how can you fix that issue. So basically it happens when you're trying to delete any message which is a long time ago you sent. So if you're trying to delete any message which is too many old, so you are unable to delete that, or if you have just sent the message but you're still facing the same issues, there are some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to open your app store, go for search, and here you just have to search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your apps. After updating, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, you just have to go back from here and try to make a force restart to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press on the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press on the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, you just have to open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram app here, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. So it might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app. It will be fixed by offloading or deleting by clearing all cache files. So after that, you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.